Hi Temple people, it's me Adam again, and I'm bringing you another crafting thing that we can do together to make our Midsummer blessed. So as you can hear probably in the background, the kettle is boiling. What I want to do today and share with you is a simple ritual, a simple recipe for a magical wash. Now this magical wash is used on your tools to cleanse, clear, and bless them. This is a simple potion that you can make at home. What you're going to need is a ball jar or some sort of jar that is big enough to hold at least 2 cups of water. You're going to need some yarrow, and it's 1 teaspoon of yarrow. For protection, blessing, that sort of thing, cleansing, all that good stuff. Then blue vervain, one of the enchanter's herbs. Ooh. Right, there we go. I associate it with the fae, but it's also an herb of enchantment. Ooh. So we're going to be enchanting those tools with a teaspoon of blue vervain. You can use white vervain if you want, or have it. I just have blue. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of mugwort, sacred to the goddess, and gets that energy moving and changing. Might be a little bit more than a teaspoon, accidentally. But that's okay, because this is a magical potion. It's not something you have to drink or anything. And lastly, we're going to add some rose. Rose is a sacred plant of the mysteries. So we're adding a teaspoon of rose petals. Oh, it smells so good. And adding all of those things together, and you want to add a stone or crystal from a sacred space or sacred place. This time I'm using a small citrine from TempleFest, one of our charged stones from our year of charged stones. So I'm going to add that to this potion. Hopefully we're going to hear the click of my boiling water getting done. And I'll show you how to pour. Oh, I know you can't do that by yourself. Just kidding. Oh, it's taking a while. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to add 2 cups of boiling water. Then take your lid and screw it on. Take it outside to where it can get sunlight and moonlight. And you're going to leave it there for at least 12 hours. Don't forget about it and be like, oh, oops, sorry. And if it's out there for 12 hours, it's just like you made it, and then the next day you pick it up at the same time. But you want it to experience the sun and moonlight. This blesses the potion and gives it a little bit more strength. And also, it gets to connect to the wild. Now, this potion, when it's all done, you can use it to wash and cleanse your tools, which is part of what we're going to do during our ritual at Midsummer. When you're finished with the 12 hours, you're going to strain out the stone and the herbs, and you can do it twice if you need to. If you put it through a strainer that has got small holes, it'll let through only the water and not the herbal matter. But if you're like, oh, there's still a little funkiness going on there, pour it through a coffee grinder, a coffee filter, and that will filter out all of the things that you might have missed with the small sieve. All right, pouring out my 2 cups of boiling water. It's pretty steamy. Now you might be asking, can you hurt the stone that you've got in there? Well, most of those stones have experienced a higher temperature than that, but you can get cracking and things like that. So you choose your stone carefully. Okay, that's all set. So I am going to take this and put it outside and leave it for 12 hours. And then after that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of a high-proof alcohol to help with its preservativeness so that we can get till midsummer and not have it go all funky on us. And that's pretty much it. So put together, put your stone in, pour your hot water, put it outside for 12 hours, bring it back in, strain out those things, add alcohol. And you're done. I hope you enjoy these little vignettes with me, and that you join me with my midsummer ritual. Let's be.